For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Therabody TheraFace Pro device. This is a facial skincare device and really like a massage device as well. That's actually the main thing that I got it for, is because of the massage aspect. But in this video, I'm gonna give you guys all the details about all the different attachments that this comes with, all the different things that this does. I'll show you guys the demos of me using the different attachments and all that stuff, let you know what each of the attachments do and all that stuff. And I will of course let you guys know my overall thoughts on this, because this is a pretty pricey device. I did purchase this myself. So this does retail for $419.99, which is very expensive. This is an expensive device, but if you're familiar with Therabody, you know that they are a luxury or prestige brand. Their products are quite expensive. So this does come in two different colors. You can get it in a black color or you can get it in this white color. And I actually kind of wanted the black color, but I ended up getting the white color. I think I got this on eBay because I was able to get a little bit of a deal on it there, because this is expensive, so I was looking for some deals. So I believe I got this on eBay. I bought it a while ago though, so I've been using this for several months now. I think like at least 3 months, maybe even longer. But I've been really enjoying this, and I actually got this because I've been dealing with TMJ issues. So I've been dealing with TMD, so that is temporomandibular jaw dysfunction. So I've been having a lot of like pain in my face and stuff. So that's why I got this. I didn't even get this for the fact of it being like a skincare device. It's actually the least that I use this for. I really just use this for the massage features, and then I also like that it also does have some light therapy features as well. So let's get into more of the features. This is described as being the all-in-one clinically proven skincare device for healthier glowing skin, combining LED light therapy, microcurrent, facial massage, and cleansing. The TheraFace Pro offers a complete facial health in the palm of your hand. So they also say that they do give 30-day returns, and it is also TSA approved and it is FDA cleared. So let me tell you guys exactly what this includes when you get it. Of course, you'll get the TheraFace Pro device. You'll also get 3 percussive attachments. So these are great for facial massage. The 3 percussive attachments are the percussive cone, the micropoint, and the flathead. This also comes with a microcurrent ring. It comes with an LED therapy ring that does red, blue, and infrared light. You also get a soft carrying bag, which I think is really nice. A great place to store it, or great for when you're wanting to go traveling with it. And then it also comes with a stand, which I really like. I just put this on my little like vanity countertop, and it's just nice that it comes with a stand. It also comes with a cleansing ring, and you'll also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So those are all of the attachments that it comes with. Now they do have 2 other attachments that you can get for it that I did get. You do have to purchase them separately, which really stinks. I really wish that they just included them with it. But they also have hot and cold rings. Again, you do have to purchase those separately though. So that's kind of a bummer. I wish that it just came with it, because it's already so expensive. It's like, why couldn't you just include these 2 attachments with it? I really wish they did. And that is actually one of the main kind of attachments that I also wanted for it, because heat could be really helpful for if you're dealing with jaw pain or facial pain. I wanted the heat. So if you do want to purchase the hot and cold rings, they retail for $109.99. So that's just another $100 to buy these attachments to go with it, which, yeah, so that was just kind of a bummer. I really feel like they should just include it with it. Something to also mention is that they actually do have an app that you can download that has routines on it and guided videos on it. I have never used the app though. I just kind of use it how I want to use it. But if you're kind of unsure of ways to use it and you just want kind of some help, there is an app that you can use to get some guided videos. Of course, you could also just like look on YouTube and things like that for ways to use it as well. But now let's dive deeper into each of the attachments and what they do. First, let's talk about the percussive therapy, which are the massage attachments. Massage helps to reduce tension in the face, jaw, neck, and forehead. It also reduces minor facial muscle pain. So this does have 3 attachments for the massage. So it has the percussive cone, the micropoint, and the flathead attachments. This is what I got this for. The one I use the most is the flathead attachment. I use this one all the time to massage my face. I really like to focus it on my masseter, but the micropoint one is also really great if you really want to kind of get in there, and it kind of is more of like a targeted massage. and it is a little bit more intense, I guess I would say. Also, this does have 3 settings for the massage, so you can kind of set how strong you want it to be. So the first level is a little bit more gentle, and you've got the second level a little bit higher, and then the third level. I always use it on the third level. I don't think it's like too strong where it's like too much. I think it's just the perfect amount. It just works really well and feels really nice. It's, even if you don't have facial pain, it feels very nice. So it's enjoyable to massage your face with it. So that's why I got it, and that's why I was okay to spend the amount of money on this. It's because I wasn't just getting this for like skincare purposes. I feel like if I was just getting this for skincare purposes, it'd be hard for me to want to spend the money. But because I've been dealing with pain and like just like some health issues and stuff, it was worth spending the money on it because I knew that I would really use this a lot, and I've been using this all the time, so it's very much been worth it for me. I love the massage attachments. They are really nice. So then it also comes with LED light therapy. So they have their LED light ring attachment, and this you can choose from 3 LED light therapies to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and mild to moderate acne. And again, the light therapy did actually stand out to me too, especially the red, because red light therapy can be helpful for like inflammation, and that is something that I've been dealing with my TMJ issues. So I have actually really liked combining the red light therapy with the massage. So I like that I can use them at the same time. So here is me turning on the red light therapy, and then I'll just turn the massage on as well, and I can use both at the same time. And for the light therapy, it does kind of beep after a little while. I think it's just so that you can kind of only use the light therapy on one section for a certain amount of time. It'll beep when you should move on to the next area. Those are the main things that I use it for, but still I mostly just use the massage feature of it. So then let's talk about the microcurrent therapy. So this is the one that I've used the least. I've actually only used the microcurrent therapy once. It does come with a conductive gel that you have to use with it. Do not try to use this on just plain skin. You have to use the conductive gel with it. So the microcurrent ring attachment, this is for gentle stimulation. It's supposed to help firm, tighten, and plump the skin for a youthful glow. It can also improve muscle tone in the face and neck. So that is what this attachment is supposed to do. So then let's talk about the hot and cold rings. The heat therapy, I really wanted this because I thought it would be just really nice for kind of soothing the jaw pain that I've been dealing with. So heat therapy helps your skin absorb skincare products better and boost radiance. So that's what they say about it, but that's not really what I got it for. I didn't really get it for the skincare features. I got it for the soothing features for muscle pain. And I do like that, but I really wish that I could use massage and the heat together. I can still massage my face with it by just like pressing down. But I do wish that I could use I wish I could kind of do more massage at the same time as using the heat, but when you're using the heat, you can't use like the massage feature. But given you can still kind of massage it on your face, if that makes sense. So anyway, that's the hot ring. And then they also have the cold rings. The cold therapy reduces face and under eye puffiness and seals in skincare products after application. So this is really nice. It does feel really nice under eyes. If you have puffy under eyes, then this is really nice. This can kind of help to depuff your under eyes. Definitely a very expensive product for depuffing your under eyes. You could also just use like a rollers, what are they called? Hopefully you know what I'm talking about, but those can be very soothing under your eyes as well. You could also use an ice cube under your eyes, and that could also be good for depuffing your under eyes. But I will say that this does feel very nice. And for both the hot and the cold rings, there are 3 different settings, so you can turn up how hot you want it and you can turn up how cold you want it. So I will say it does feel very nice, and it definitely is going to get much colder than like one of those rollers would. This just feels very nice, and you just kind of have to very gently kind of tap it over your under eyes. So it does feel nice. You could use it on other areas of your face as well if you would like, for just reducing puffiness, if you just like how it feels. I really wish that the hot and cold rings came with the purchase of the TheraFace Pro. it just stinks that it is a separate purchase. But those were 2 ones that I really wanted to try, so I did buy them as well. And I do like them, but I will say I actually use those the least amount. I use the face massage the most. It also comes with a cleansing ring. It's just a really nice like silicone attachment, and this is actually quite nice. I've only used this attachment though once. I don't use it super often, but honestly maybe I should try it out more often. But it is just a nice little silicone cleansing attachment you can use to, you know, cleanse your face. You can just put your cleanser on it and cleanse your face, and it is nice. I think it works well. I like that it kind of massages your face at the same time as cleansing your face, so it's kind of like extra self-care. So that is a cool attachment as well if you are interested in having a cleansing attachment. I do think it is nice, and it is quite gentle. I feel like some cleansing devices out there can be kind of harsh on your face, but this I do find is quite gentle. It's really soft silicone, so I do think it is pretty gentle. But overall, honestly, you don't really need to have a special like cleansing device for your face. You can just cleanse your face with your hands. But it is a nice attachment. It's a nice little self-care to use every once in a while. I will say, if you were turning it on massage mode when you are doing your facial cleansing, it's not the best for the forehead because it just feels like it's like bumping your bone. So honestly, for the forehead, I feel like just keeping it off is fine, and you can just massage without the massage thing on. And it does leave my skin feeling nice and soft. Overall, I think this is a really cool device. If you are only using this for skincare, you just have to really think, is this something that I'm going to be using often? And if it is, and you think it is worth the money, then hey, I would definitely say go for it. For me, it has absolutely been worth it, but again, it's been worth it for me because of how much I've been using the massage feature. I use this all the time. I honestly use this most days, so it has very much been worth the price for me. But yeah, if you're not going to be using it often enough, obviously it's not going to be worth, you know, several $100s unless you know that you're going to be using it a lot. And I've been using it a lot, so it has been really, really great. So if you also deal with TMJ issues, or you're having face pain or muscle pain, this is great. I love it to massage my masseters. I'll also lightly use it to massage over my TMJ area, just very lightly there. You got to be careful because it can be painful and sensitive there, so you just got to be careful. And then I also will use it like on my neck. It's just been great. I love the facial massage on this. It is great, and I feel like there's really no other like facial massage device like this. I think it's really cool that Therabody came out with a massage device for the face, because they have all the devices, you know, for your body, but it's really cool they have one for the face, so you know that this is made specifically to be used on the face for massaging. I feel like I would have never really thought about massaging my face before I had TMJ issues, but yeah, it's great. And even if you don't have TMJ issues, facial massage is really nice. So absolutely, it has been worth it for me. I personally would recommend it, but again, it really just depends on what you're going to be using it for, and if you know that you're going to be using it a lot or not. You have to make sure you know that it's going to be worth it for you. But if you are interested in checking it out, I will have this listed and linked in the description box below, so you can easily find it, or you can always look for it on eBay, see if anybody has a deal going on or anything like that. But I will have it linked in the description box below if you would like to check it out. If you do use my link, it's no additional cost to you, but it really does help to support my channel. No pressure to use my link, but if you do use it, thank you so much. It really does mean so much. It really does help to support my channel so that I can keep making videos for you guys that hopefully help you out. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future and you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.